Hello and welcome back. So in this class I'm just gonna add the last thing, the contact area for this project. Just after the last one, the section, I'm just creating the new one. And you know why I'm just creating this section? Because I just want to apply the form elements here. So here I'm just gonna apply the form. So let's just create the form inside the section first, and then just before the form element I'm just creating the page. Oh, sorry, not directly the page header. The page header must be a class, you know, that heading, sorry, not the header, or the header actually, not the page heading, by the way. So here the page header. Now there I'm just putting the h1. Any heading you prefer you can add. Now I'm just adding the contact me. Okay, now save and go to the browser and refresh. Now I got the contact me area here, but the text is too big. Why not I just add the contact I'm just going to check. H2 is preferred. Okay, H2 and H2, and then I'm just setting the classes here as well, the class of the text center. Now save and refresh. Now I got the text center. Perfect. Now the other thing is I'm just going to the form area, and actually before just going to the form area I'm just going to the section area and applying some styles with this specific section. The background color silver, any color you can apply which you have. So refresh that. Now I got the beautiful effect here. Okay, now I just have to add the ID here as well, the contact. Now save and refresh that. Now when I just click on the contact, now I'm getting the contacts and all the pages are there with the perfect manner. Now here this shouldn't be the my work. I'm just gonna change this into the about me. Refresh. Now this is the perfect ones which I just want, the about me, the contact area, and okay, the contact area is there, and the what I do, so everything is in the perfect manner. What I'm just gonna do in the contact me, after the contact me I'm just gonna create the form. Well, there I'm just gonna create the form into the, first of all I'm just adding the class here and just typing col md and md5. Okay, now first of all I'm just adding the input or the directly the form group here, div. Okay, so inside this div I'm just adding the class of the form group. However, I just have to put only one element, but I'm just adding the class in the form group, the element in the form group actually. So first of all, they're adding the class of the form control, and then the type, which is text for this. Now saving and then just duplicating. Before duplicating, I'm just adding the placeholder here as well, placeholder, and then adding in a space and just adding one more thing there, the insert your name. Save and refresh that one. Now you got the thing which I just want to apply. That is really perfect. Well, I'm just closing this lorem ipsum class, which is not necessary to place. Duplicate that and duplicate that, and now refresh that. I got the duplication by using the md5, the whole element or really perfectly mannered. Well, one thing more, I'm just adding here the col md offset. If you just remember that we just talk about the offset, I'm just putting the offset 3. It means from the fourth column it should change its place. No, from the fourth column, not from the fifth column. Refresh that. Now this is looking more perfect. By the way, what I'm just doing more, first of all, shouldn't be the name, this should be the email. Insert your email, and then this should be the subject. Save, and then this should be the email as a type. So save that and refresh that back. Now you can see the element which I just want, and then just add the last one's element at the div, and then just remove the text area, and let's just type the text area, and then here just adding the class. What the class I'm just gonna add is the form control. Now save and then refresh. Now I got the area to submit the message. Well, there I'm just typing comments. You can type anything, whatever you prefer. And I got the comments area as well. So the next thing is I'm just adding the rows and just typing 10. Refresh. Okay, that is really perfect. The last thing is just copy the form group again and just paste this here, and then instead of the form control, we don't need the form control, just directly add the BDN, and the BDN success or any effect you want you can apply. Then just remove the placeholder and change the type from text to submit, because this should be the submission button. Okay, this is what I just want, but this is not really perfect. If I just add the BDN block here instead of the simple BDN, refresh that, now you can see that it's more preferred, looking really great. So guys, this is definitely what I just wanted to create, and we just created. You can see that everything is in the manner, and by changing the links we can go there, and by scrolling you can see that the scroll spy is working perfectly. So guys, this is a simple portfolio website. You can make and edit in your way. So stay tuned and goodbye.